Have you ever felt the weight of the world pressing down on you, as if the truth was just out of reach? Imagine having a gemstone that not only resonates with deep wisdom, but also empowers you to express your inner truth. Enter Lapis Lazuli, a stunning deep blue stone that has captured hearts and minds for centuries. Revered by ancient civilizations for its unique beauty and metaphysical properties, Lapis Lazuli is more than just a gemstone. It's a bridge to the past and a guide to self-discovery. Today, we're counting down the top 10 benefits of Lapis Lazuli, revealing how this captivating gem can transform your life, enhance your intuition, and connect you to ancient wisdom. Stay tuned as we explore the profound effects of Lapis Lazuli. 10. Enhance intuition and insight. At number 10, Lapis Lazuli is renowned for its ability to enhance intuition and insight. This powerful stone helps you tap into your inner wisdom, making it easier to navigate the complexities of life. When you hold or wear Lapis Lazuli, you may experience heightened awareness and clarity, allowing you to see situations from a different perspective. Many people use this gem during meditation to deepen their spiritual practices, enabling them to access profound insights and connect with their higher selves. By embracing Lapis Lazuli, you can cultivate a greater understanding of yourself and the world around you. The stone is said to resonate with the third eye chakra, which is responsible for intuition and perception. This connection aids in strengthening your ability to interpret your surroundings and instincts, guiding you toward more informed decisions. Lapis Lazuli helps you quiet the mental chatter that often clouds your judgment, allowing your intuition to shine through. With consistent use, you may find that your gut feelings become more pronounced, enabling you to trust your instincts in personal and professional situations alike. 9. Promote emotional healing. Coming in at number 9, Lapis Lazuli is a powerful ally for emotional healing. It is believed to help release negative emotions, such as anger, anxiety, and sadness, making way for peace and tranquility. This gemstone encourages self-reflection and self-acceptance, empowering you to confront your feelings without judgment. Many individuals have found solace in Lapis Lazuli during challenging times, as it can facilitate emotional release and healing. By embracing this beautiful stone, you can create a supportive environment for emotional growth and resilience. Lapis Lazuli acts as a catalyst for emotional transformation, encouraging you to confront suppressed feelings and enabling you to process them constructively. Its calming energy can soothe emotional turmoil, allowing for clearer thoughts and a balanced emotional state. By wearing or meditating with Lapis Lazuli, you might find it easier to articulate your feelings and express your needs, leading to healthier relationships and improved mental well-being. 8. Foster communication and self-expression. At number 8, Lapis Lazuli is known for fostering communication and self-expression. Its vibrant blue color resonates with the throat chakra, which governs our ability to express thoughts and emotions. When you work with Lapis Lazuli, you may find it easier to articulate your feelings, leading to more authentic connections with others. This stone encourages honest dialogue, helping to dissolve misunderstandings and foster deeper relationships. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or seeking to improve your personal relationships, Lapis Lazuli can be a valuable tool for enhancing communication skills. Lapis Lazuli is especially beneficial for those who struggle with self-expression. It encourages you to speak your truth and be confident in sharing your thoughts, whether in social situations or professional settings. The stone's energy can help alleviate the fear of judgment, enabling you to communicate openly and authentically. This newfound confidence in expressing yourself can significantly impact your relationships, making them more fulfilling and genuine. 7. Support spiritual growth. Coming in at number 7, Lapis Lazuli supports spiritual growth and enlightenment. This gemstone has been used for centuries by various cultures as a tool for spiritual development. It is believed to connect the wearer to higher realms of consciousness, facilitating spiritual awakening and transformation. By incorporating Lapis Lazuli into your spiritual practice, you may find it easier to access divine guidance and wisdom. Whether through meditation, visualization, or simply carrying the stone, Lapis Lazuli can help illuminate your spiritual path and encourage personal growth. The stone acts as a powerful ally in enhancing your connection to the spiritual world, promoting a sense of unity with the universe. This deeper connection can lead to greater insights into your purpose and the lessons you are meant to learn. Many users report that working with Lapis Lazuli enhances their meditation practices, allowing them to achieve deeper states of awareness and understanding. With this stone by your side, you may discover a newfound sense of purpose and direction in your spiritual journey. 6. Increase self-awareness. At number 6, Lapis Lazuli is known for increasing self-awareness. This gemstone encourages introspection and self-discovery, prompting you to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By cultivating self-awareness, you can identify areas of your life that may need attention or improvement. Lapis Lazuli serves as a gentle reminder to be honest with yourself, helping you embrace your true nature and authentic self. As you explore your inner landscape, Lapis Lazuli can help you confront your fears and limitations, allowing you to break free from self-imposed barriers. When you engage in self-reflection while working with Lapis Lazuli, you may find that your understanding of your strengths and weaknesses becomes clearer. This awareness can empower you to make positive changes in your life, fostering personal growth and development. As you become more attuned to your inner self, you may discover new passions and interests that align with your true essence, guiding you toward a more fulfilling life. 5. Enhance mental clarity and focus. Coming in at number 5, Lapis Lazuli enhances mental clarity and focus. This gemstone is believed to clear the mind of confusion and distractions, allowing you to concentrate on the tasks at hand. Whether you're studying for an exam, working on a project, or simply trying to stay organized, Lapis Lazuli can provide the mental support you need. Its calming energy helps reduce mental clutter, enabling you to think more clearly and make informed decisions. Many students and professionals find that incorporating Lapis Lazuli into their routines significantly improves their productivity. By promoting a state of calmness and clarity, this stone helps you approach challenges with confidence and determination. The improved focus you gain from working with Lapis Lazuli can enhance your performance in various areas of life, leading to greater success and fulfillment. 4. Encourage harmony in relationships. At number 4, Lapis Lazuli encourages harmony in relationships. This gemstone's soothing energy promotes understanding and empathy, helping to mend rifts and foster connections. When both partners in a relationship work with Lapis Lazuli, they can create an environment of trust and open communication, paving the way for deeper intimacy. The stone encourages you to express your feelings openly, helping to alleviate misunderstandings and build stronger bonds with loved ones. Lapis Lazuli can also assist in resolving conflicts, allowing both parties to approach disagreements with compassion and understanding. By promoting a sense of peace and calm, this stone helps you navigate challenging conversations with grace. As you embrace the energy of Lapis Lazuli, you may find that your relationships become more supportive and nurturing, leading to greater satisfaction and happiness. 3. Boost confidence and self-esteem. Coming in at number 3, Lapis Lazuli is renowned for enhancing confidence and self-esteem. Many people face feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt, but this powerful stone helps combat those negative emotions. By embracing your unique qualities, Lapis Lazuli empowers you to confront challenges and pursue your goals fearlessly. Its energy fosters pride in your achievements, no matter how small, promoting greater self-acceptance and a positive self-image. As you build self-esteem, you'll find it easier to step outside your comfort zone, encouraging personal growth and exploration. Embracing Lapis Lazuli can transform your self-perception, leading to a more fulfilling life. 2. Grounding and stabilizing energy. At number 2, Lapis Lazuli is known for its grounding and stabilizing energy. In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, this gemstone provides a sense of stability and security. Its warm, earthy energy helps you stay centered and focused, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with a clear mind. This grounding quality is particularly beneficial during stressful times, offering a calming influence that helps you remain composed and resilient. When you feel overwhelmed by external pressures, Lapis Lazuli can serve as a reminder to reconnect with yourself and your core values. This connection helps you maintain your balance, even in the most turbulent situations. By integrating Lapis Lazuli into your daily routine, you may find it easier to cope with stress and anxiety, leading to a more harmonious and centered existence. 1. A stone of protection and safety. And finally, at number 1, Lapis Lazuli is considered a stone of protection and safety. It is believed to shield against negativity and unwanted energies, making it a valuable companion in your daily life. Whether you're facing external challenges or internal fears, Lapis Lazuli's protective qualities can help create a sense of safety and security. By carrying this stone, you can navigate through difficult situations with confidence, knowing you are supported by its protective energy. The stone is said to create a protective barrier around you, absorbing harmful energies and promoting emotional well-being. Lapis Lazuli can help you cultivate a positive mindset, allowing you to approach challenges with resilience and determination. Its powerful protective energy makes it an ideal stone for those seeking a sense of safety and stability in an unpredictable world. What do you think about our video? If you enjoyed this exploration of Lapis Lazuli, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the mystical world of gemstones and their transformative properties. Join us as we continue to uncover the secrets of nature and empower your spiritual journey. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more enlightening content.